Good morning, children. Today we will be learning here the textual exercise of lesson number 5, the clothes we wear. Students, we wear the clothes according to the seasons, and at different places they have their own traditional dress. And we have also learned about the uniform. What is uniform? What is uniform, children? People who do the same kind of work wear special clothes, that is called uniform. And costume. What is costume? People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. So here we will do the exercise. So students, what is costume? People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. And the clothes dancers and actors wear the costume. They are also called the costumes. See, dancers, you have seen dancers on the television and actors on the television. What they are wearing? They are wearing that dress we call as costumes. So here what we have to do, we have to match the clothes with the correct box. See the two box here. First is costume, second is uniform. So here number one is, see what is this dress? This is the dress of a nurse, and nurse is wearing costume or uniform. Uniform, the costume which the nurse is wearing is called uniform. So we will match this uniform, this one number with uniform. So if we don't do the match, what do we do here? We will write here U. U means uniform. And if you want to match, you can match it like this. Okay. Now see number 2. See number 2. What is this dress? This is the Bharatnatyam dress. And Bharatnatyam dress, who is wearing this Bharatnatyam dress? Dancers. And dancers is wearing the dress. It is called costume. So here we will write C and we can match it here, costume. Now see the third one. This is a dress of policeman. Policeman is wearing this type of dress and we call it uniform. We call it uniform. So we will match here U. U for uniform. Because police job is a specific kind of job and this is a special dress of police. So it is called uniform. See the next one, number 4. What is this dress? This is the Manipuri dress. See, Manipuri dancers are wearing this type of dress. So what is this? Dancers and actors wearing costume. So it is costume. So we will match it with the costume. And here we will write C. Number 5. C number 5. What is this? This is a soldier dress. This is a soldier dress. Soldiers are wearing uniform. So here we will write U and we will match it here. Now see, this is the dress of, what is this dress? This is the dress of firefighter. See, firefighter is wearing this type of special dress. So it is uniform. What we call it? Uniform. We will match it here. Now see, what is this? Which is this dress? This is the traditional dress of West Bengal people, and people living in different places wear different type of dress and they are called costumes. So it is also a costume. So we will write here C and we will match it with the costume. Now see the next one. What is this? This is the dress of pilot. Students, have you seen the pilot on the television? Great. So this is a dress of pilot. Pilots are wearing this type of dress and it is called uniform. Pilots are wearing uniform. So we will match it with uniform. Here what is this? Students, tell me what is this? This is a dress of Punjab. Dress of Punjab. Punjabi people, Punjabi men are wearing this type of dress. It is called costumes. It is called costume and we match it with the costume. Now students, do you understand what is uniform and what is costume? See, we will see it again in a different way. See, what is this? This is a dress of a nurse. So this is uniform. What is this? Dancer dress. So it is costume. This is policeman dress. It is called uniform. Okay. This is dancer dress. Dancers are wearing costume. So it is costume. What is this? Uniform. This is a uniform of soldier. And what is this? This is the uniform of firefighters. And this costume. West Bengal men are wearing this type of costume. This is the dress of pilot, and pilot is a special job, and for the special job the people are wearing special dress. It is called uniform. And what is this, children? This is a traditional dress. It is called costume. Punjabi men are wearing this type of dress, so it is costume. So students, now you are getting what are costumes and what are uniforms and which type of people are wearing costumes and uniforms. I hope you enjoy the exercise. Okay, you will have to do this exercise in your textbook, children. Okay children, bye.